Isigaba sesibili sesigawu sophenyo oluvulwe kabusha lokubulawa kukaFort Xalata, uMatthew Goniwe, uSicelo Mhlawuli kanye noSpero Mkhonto siqala ngobufakazi bukaMatthew Goniwe, uMbulelo Goniwe, ozalwa umfowabo omncane kaMatthew. uMbulelo Goniwe ulandise isigcawu ukuthi izinhlaka zomphakathi zalekelela kanjani ukugqugquzela abantu ukuba babe yingxenye yomzabalazo we-ANC.
They provided us a firm foundation of political education, as well as to observe the talents and many other gifts that people had, and they linked to them. We could then also infiltrate others to leave the country. There would be also some basic military training, etc. That was based on what the response or the commitment people showed in the minimal tasks. Then they would be upgraded by being given more serious responsibilities.
Uphinde wabalula ngokuboshwa kukaMatthew Goniwe, uFort Xalata noMadoda Jacobs phakathi kukaMbasa womhla zingu-30 nomhla zingu-9 kuMfumfu ka-1985.
When I arrived at home, I was told that Matthew had been arrested. Then my sixth sense was to go underground, which is how I avoided arrest in 1977. But I was told on that spot that he had left an instruction that I should not run away. So I was picked up like a sitting duck. That is after he was arrested. When I arrived at the Sanlam building, that is the offices of the special branch, that is where I got Fort. Fort was there already. Matthew, them were not there.
uJenene uBandolo Misa owayengusihlalo womkhandlu wezempi eTranskei nomkhandlu wongqongqoshe ulindeleke ukuba ethule ubufakazi kulesigcawu. Kulonyaka kuhlangana iminyaka engama-40 selokhu kwabulawa uFort Xalata, uMatthew Goniwe, uSicelo Mhlawuli kanye noSpero Mkhonto bebulawa ngamaphoyisa obandlululo bebulawela iqhaza labo emzabalazweni wenkululeko. Babebuya emhlanganweni we-UDF eBhayi, e-Eastern Cape.